Have you generally needed to have delightful, rose-hued lips, without using magnificence items like lipstick or lip sparkle? You can, however, you may need to change some of your propensities in light of the fact that sound lips are a decent sign of general well-being. At the point when your lips wind up dim and stained, there might be a few components included. Some of these elements, hyperpigmentation and hypersensitive responses, are outside your ability to control. Others, notwithstanding, such as smoking, drying out, and an excessive amount of caffeine, are factors that you could change to enhance the normal appearance of your lips. In the present video, we incorporated some common solutions for harmed lips, and also some helpful hints for protection lip mind. Since your lips don't have any sweat organs, you truly need to look after them day by day, with the goal that they don't remain dry and broke. Here are probably the most well-known offenders for obscured, dried-out lips: stress, cigarette smoking, less than stellar eating routine, an excess of caffeine, anemia, low-quality well-being items, too much sun, dehydration. When everything is going admirably, we regularly neglect to stop and consider dealing with our lips. We put sunscreen on wherever else with the exception of our lips. We're occupied throughout the day and don't drink enough water. When we get excessively occupied, our lips and our well-being as a rule have a tendency to endure. Think about these home solutions for more beneficial, rosier lips. Receive them into your everyday routine, and a little while later, you won't have to utilize that costly lipstick you've for the longest time been itching to purchase. 1. Washcloth with lip balm. Attempt this extraordinary method to free yourself of flaky, dried-out lips. The more you leave the lip analgesic on, the better. Abandon it on overnight for best outcomes. This is what you require: 1 high-quality, thick lip analgesic, 1 wash material, or delicate toothbrush. Headings: generously apply a strong establishment of lip analgesic over the 2 lips. Do it around evening time before bed. This will enable the salve to treat and hydrate your lips for a few hours. Toward the beginning of the day, you'll see that your lips have consumed the lip analgesic. Presently, take a perfect, moist wash material, or new delicate toothbrush, and effortlessly knead your lips. This serves to both peel them and expel dead skin. At last, make a point to wipe off any unnecessary lip medicine. 2. Flower Petal Lip Mask. Flower petals have a few key properties that can enhance the well-being of our lips. They contain mitigating properties and in addition common oils and sugars, which work to keep the dampness in our lips. In the event that you couple flower petals with an incredible lotion like Drain, you concoct a fabulous home solution for dry, split lips. This is what you require: 5 to 6 flower petals, 1/2 some Drain. Headings: before bed one night, put the flower petals to absorb Drain. When you get up toward the beginning of the day, pour the petals through a strainer and with a pestle, pound them up well. You may need to include a couple of additional drops of Drain so as to frame a pleasant glue. At that point, basically apply it to your lips and hold up 15 minutes. A while later, wash the glue off with icy water. This is so natural and it's innocuous to your lips. Don't hesitate to utilize this cure regular. You'll see a striking distinction after a brief time frame. 3. Lemon-Glycerin Mask. Possibly your concern is more awful than simply the ordinary instance of dry lips. On the off chance that they're to a great degree dry and stained, this cover will work wonders for you. Since lemon has a tendency to have a helping impact on our skin, and glycerin is extraordinary for hydration, it ought to take care of your irritating issue. This is what you'll require: 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, 1 little Tupperware holder. Headings: blend the lemon juice and glycerin together. Place it in the Tupperware for up to 7 days in the cooler. Utilizing a brush or your finger, apply it to your lips. It's too simple not to attempt. 4. Almond oil and lemon juice. Here's another basic formula including lemon juice. This time it's with almond oil, a sweet hydrating specialist that is awesome for your lips. This is what you'll require: a couple of drops of almond oil, a couple of drops of lemon juice. Headings: combine the 2 fixings and essentially apply it like you would some other lip medicine. Utilize it as frequently as you'd like. It's particularly great to use before sleep time.